Hello everyone, welcome back with Inventor Basic 3D Modeling tutorial for exercise number 18. Okay, I will create new part. Click Start to the sketch, choose top plane, and use line tools to create a simple sketch. I will draw stuff from this point to the top, okay, and to the bottom here. The next, you can click at this point and connect it to origin point. Use dimension tools to set distance start from this point into here. We set into active 5. You can zoom out and we set again distance in this line objects 40. In here I will set into 70 and this line object we set 20. Click finish sketch and use extrude tools to convert this sketch into 3D. You can click these icons. We set for extrusion 30. Click OK. Select at this face. Click Start to the sketch. And I will draw a rectangle. Start from this point. Move to the bottom here. Set for distance from this point into this line objects. We set 10. The next, this line object change into 30. And for this width into 60. Use chamfer tools to chamfer this corner. We set for distance 5 and you can select at this corner, okay, in the top and also in the bottom here. Click OK and finish sketch. Use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Okay, this sketch we can select and we set into X for extrusion. Select at this face, click Start to the sketch. I will draw a circle, start from this point. We create 3 circles. And the next, I will use line tools to create sketch, start from this point to the bottom here. Okay, create again at the circle objects to the top. And now in this line of this circle objects. Use a trim command to cut the circle. And I will set for radius in this arch. We set 3. Okay, also in here 3. And the last in this arch 3. For distance, start from this point into here. To this line objects, we set 16. Okay, also in here, from this point into here, we set into 16. And the next, from this point into here, set into 30. Use again in horizontal, okay, into this point, we set 15. And also in here, set into 15. Now I will use these tools, tangent constraint. You can set constraint from this arch into this line objects, also at this point. Okay, you can create again in here. This OK, and also in here. Now we can click finish sketch and use extrude tools. Now you can select this sketch, 3 sketch. Select at these arrows and move to the bottom to cut the objects. Click OK. It will be automatically cut the objects. Select at this edge and use fillet commands. I will fillet with radius 10. So you can change into 10. Click OK. Now select at this face. Click Start to sketch, and I will draw a circle in here from the center point. Set for diameter into 6. Click finish sketch and use extrude tools to create hole. Move this arrow to the bottom here. Click OK. The last, select at this face and click Start to the sketch. We can draw a circle. Okay, I will draw stuff from this point. Move into here. And now I will set for these constraints, vertical constraint, you can click these points, and also in this origin points, it will be automatically move into vertical constraints. For dimensions in these objects, circles we set into 45. Click Finish Cut and use Extrude Tools. Click Reverse by clicking this Tools Flip. And for boolens, use joints. Now for length, set into 20. Click OK. Select up this face. And we create circle. We can create circle, start from center point. Set for diameter into 20 or radius into 10. You can set 20 for diameter. Click Finish Cut and use Extrude Tools to create holes. You can set these arrows into here. Click OK to apply. Now we already create this simple 3D model with Inventor software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.